Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the Sawmill. What we got out here? Oh, that's what's going on. Got the guinea hens up here this morning. I thought the cats were keying in on something. These things are loud, man. They start hollering. It's all you hear outside. Let's go see what they're doing. And there they go. They take off down the hill. They're kind of funny to watch, but man, they're loud. So we got a lot going on today, friends. The first thing I need to do is unload this sycamore we picked up in Virginia yesterday. And then we're going to head to FedEx and get something else. So hang in there, friends. It's going to be a good day. We got a lot going on. And my goodness, it's like February, what is it? February the 16th today. Or maybe it's the 17th. I'm not sure if my watch is right or not. My phone will be right though. Let me see. 17th. I need to change my phone, I guess, or my watch rather. So it's February the 17th. And in Tennessee today, it's supposed to be 70 degrees. That's crazy for this time of year, 70 degrees. Friends, we're back up here at the Sawmill. There out there is a land plane, in case you're curious about what that was. We just put in the bed of the dump trailer. More on that probably next week. We'll get that thing out in a few days and work on the gravel road. A lot of you guys recommended me getting one of those, and I started using the box blade here at the Sawmill, and hopefully you're right. So we'll see how that goes right there. But that's a 6-foot land plane, and it's made by Titan. Now guys, we got to switch gears, go jump on the tractor, take off the pallet forks and put on the grapple, because I got some cherry logs that should be here in about 30 minutes. We'll get those unloaded, then we'll come back up here at the Sawmill and see what we can get into today, guys. I wish I had 2 tractors. I was thinking about that the other day. If I had one tractor with the pallet forks on it all the time and the other tractor with the grapple, that would be a good setup right there. Maybe I need 2 tractors. I have to think on that just a little bit. So hang in there, guys. Let's see how these cherry logs look. They should be here in just a minute. Friends, this is a really nice cherry log, and look over my voice today. It's been real windy up here for the past few days, and I'm getting pretty choked up here, to be honest with you, with all this dust in the air. This is a 9-footer. The diameter on the operator's side is about 17 inches. We're at about 15 inches on the far side. And there's a little bit of a sweep to this log, so we got some horns and a belly. If you've been watching this channel for any length of time, you guys know what I'm talking about. For the rest of you people, you probably think I'm crazy. And I got the horns facing up. And once we saw those off, we'll flip it 180 and do the belly. Then we'll square this up. We'll look for the best face. And hopefully get some nice wide cherry boards, 5/4 on the thickness. And hopefully they're pretty clear. On the Sawmill, I'm running the Silvertip Turbo 7. I get those from Joe Maine down in Georgia. If you're interested in those blades, his number is down in the video description. Hang in there, guys. Let's open this one up. It may be a good one. And also, if you're wondering why I'm not doing live edge slabs, I am sick to death of live edge slabs, to be honest with you, friends. I've been sawing them for so long, I'm kind of burnt out on them. And the idea of just doing some regular boards for a change, for cabinet makers and stuff like that, is kind of exciting. One, it's a little bit easier to handle. Well, definitely easier to handle. It's a lot lighter. Number two, it dries faster. So there's a lot of perks in boards that are just 4/4 or 5/4 rather. These 8/4 and 9/4 slabs will wear you out, guys. I'm just tired of them. We're ready to do something different here for a change.